Is the Aiper Seagull SE an improvement or another missed opportunity? Welcome back to Pool Pad, your landing pad for all things swimming pool related. I'm Kelly, and today let's dive into the new Aiper Seagull SE. I have not always been a fan of the Aiper units in the past, and this newly redesigned unit promises to fix a few of the issues and problems I have had, but not all of them. So let's jump in and see if my suspicions are correct. I will be rating the Aiper Seagull SE in the three typical categories of pool coverage, filtration ability, and feature set and warranty. First, let's look at the Aiper Seagull SE's pool coverage. As with other Aiper units I have reviewed, the Seagull SE can only cover the floor of your pool. This isn't great in any pool, but especially not in in-ground pools, which tend to collect more debris and algae on the walls and at the waterline. The Seagull SE is supposedly for all pools though, despite its lack of wall climbing. Even on the box, Aiper states that the Seagull SE will only clean the flat floors as well, as it is not designed for slopes. The Aiper Seagull SE will only leave you with more cleaning to do in your pool when compared to other top robotic pool cleaners. It also still does not come with an onboard navigation system, so I don't know how good of a job it will really do in your pool. When I watched it in my pool, it tended to clean in a random path, missing most spots entirely. In addition to this, it still only has two small static brushes, which may be an improvement over the one of previous models, but they still do not actively scrub away debris and algae. So despite its sleek new design, it has many of the same issues. Just like the other Aiper models, it really doesn't cover your pool, so I have to give it a 1.5 out of 5 in pool coverage. Next, let's look at the Aiper Seagull SE's filtration ability. The same old problems continue here as well, as the Aiper still only has a flat filter, which cannot really filter out any of the microscopic particles or hold any large debris. I don't see how this filter does anything, and I was hoping to see some improvement here, but there aren't any. The flat filter just cannot compete with the filter baskets found in Maytronic's Dolphin units, like the Dolphin Escape and the Dolphin Cayman. These filter baskets are just as easy to clean and actually filter and hold debris. For my money, I will always go with the filter basket. So once again, the Aiper Seagull SE scores a 1.5 out of 5 in filtration ability. Finally, there's the Aiper Seagull SE's feature set and warranty. This is where most of the improvements have been made, but even here, I'm still unsure of how big these improvements really are. For starters, the time it takes to charge is now decreased from 4 to 6 hours to 2.5. This is nice as it means that you can quickly get the unit charged and cleaned, and its battery life has also been improved to 90 minutes instead of 55 on the other base model, the Aiper 600. So not only can you get it back into your pool quicker, but it will also clean for longer while it's in there. That being said, it spends more time out of the water charging than cleaning, which is one of my biggest issues with the unit. Another one of my biggest concerns with these new claims is their longevity. When reading reviews from people who have owned this bot for a while, it seems that the batteries are not lasting long enough, just like the other Aiper models. This is even more of a concern for me as it is cheaper than the other robots, but has a longer battery life, so a quarter must have been cut somewhere. While the cordless design may seem like a huge plus, it really is not. As we've seen, it cannot offer enough power, but it also puts the durability of the robot into question. Just like the other Aiper models, the Aiper Seagull SE only comes with a 1-year warranty, which is half the length of other entry-level cleaners like the Dolphin Escape and Cayman, which both come with 2-year warranties. On the one hand, this shows that Aiper does not think that the unit will last long, but it also means that you could be out hundreds of dollars if the robot fails after the first year. In other words, the Aiper Seagull SE may seem better with longer battery life and a shorter charging time, but it has the same durability issues and warranty that won't cover the inevitable failure. Don't be fooled by the cordless design and a new body. This is the same robot as the other performance-wise, and for these reasons, I have to give the Aiper Seagull SE a 1 out of 5 in feature set and warranty. There's an important fact that a lot of buyers do not realize. These battery-operated units are not truly automatic. That's because you have to pull the unit out of the pool daily and charge it. Since robots are made for automation, this is a big miss on what pool owners want. Despite a slick-looking new design and a few upgrades, my core issues with previous Aiper models are still here, making this a robot I would never recommend. Once all the scores are totaled, the Aiper scores a 2 out of 10, making it the absolute bottom of the barrel. If you want a comparably priced robot that can clean your whole pool, has more power, lasts longer, and has better warranty, check out my reviews on the Dolphin Escape and the Dolphin Cayman. Both robots are better choices for any pool. Check back soon with the Pool Pad team, as we will be constantly letting you in on the best products and methods to keep your pool clean and healthy.